Well, just let me show you the difference between the Lite tool and a full course management tool. This is the dashboard of the full course management tool. And the thing that you see with the Lite tool is just one of those courses. Over here, this one is called class. And this is more or less the template that you will see in the Lite version, but it's also available in the full version. Maybe there's just a few tweaks here and there, but it's more or less the same. But with the full version, you get so much more than here planning, organizing, launching your course, and getting all your tasks done. Because with the full version, you get this. Let me click it away. But you also get an overview of all your classes. Over here, there's just one class here, or yeah, one here, but I can add multiple courses if I want to. So I have a full overview of everything. But before you start, that's what you have with the Lite version too. But with the Lite version, you only have important duplicate for customize and an introduction to the full tool. But over here, you also have the private community. So you can go to the private community. That's a community that hosts users and they comment on other users. So it's from users for users, and I'll be there as well. It has how to use the template, and there are multiple videos in here. So you get a walkthrough of almost everything in this template. There is a course management workflow. And over here, when you open this, you get a workflow step by step of each step you can take in your course creation process. So how do you make your course plan? How do you record your videos? Don't forget to make your thumbnails. These are tools that can help you. So they will help you all along the way, the workflow. And of course, this is customizable, because if your workflow just is totally different, you can change this. But you can use this as a guide when you're new to course creation, or you want to get some tips from an experienced course creator. This is where you should go. This thing alone is worth so much. And then, well, the courses. But over here, you can actually put down all your feedback, all the feedback you got from your students, but also your creator insights. There's nothing here because I didn't put my creator insights in here, but I can do my own reflections. And I have different templates. I have templates for feedback from students, for example, or reviews that I get from students, but I also got a template for creator insights. So this whole tool is built around templates you can use, but which you can also customize to your likings. Then when you have like a brain like I do, you have constantly new ideas for your courses. So you can list them all here, and you can list them with all the specifics you've got. But there's also like a short version if you just want to jot down a simple brainwave you just got, but you don't have time to go through all the questions you have on the full template. This is just a simple button where you can add just a short version that you can get back to later when you have more time or you have more knowledge about what the course is going to be about. So this is in overall the big difference between the tool, the Lite tool, that's just there for just one class, one course, or this course management tool that includes multiple classes, includes workflow, feedback insights, task, course topic ideas, some additional templates, walkthrough videos. It has the community. So this is really so much more than the Lite version. But with the Lite version, you get like the feel of what the tool is about. So yeah, if you're ever figuring out or wondering what's the difference, what would work best for me, this is it.